Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Audi TT wiper blades. Start by lifting the wiper arm and finding the release tab, press it, and slide the blade off the hook. Inspect the adapter and compare the old blade to the new one for matching length and connector type. Attach the new blade until it clicks securely, lower the arm carefully, and test for smooth operation without squeaks or streaks. Begin by securing the arm so it stays raised. Sudden release can crack the windshield. Press the release tab and slide the old blade off the hook gently to avoid bending the arm. If the blade resists, wiggle slightly while keeping pressure on the tab and avoid pulling the arm toward the glass. Clean the rubber channel area and check the arm for wear before installing a replacement blade. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more car DIY tips. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is handy for staying hydrated during long garage jobs and fits most cup holders, making it an easy companion while you work on your Audi TT. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Fit the new blade by aligning the adapter with the arm hook and pushing until it clicks into place securely. Verify that locking tabs are engaged and the blade sits evenly along the arm. Lower the arm gently to the windshield and run the wipers through a cycle to confirm full contact and quiet operation. Recheck after a short drive to ensure no lifting or streaking occurs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.